living with WTI, and I love the outdoors and I love watching movies. So why not combine the two? And that's why I really appreciated having this PropVue 100-inch projection screen at my disposal. This is such a wonderfully designed product. I also really liked how strong the material was for the screen. I was very impressed with the quality and the crispness of the imaging on this. I thought it was such a great idea of how easy it was to put together. You didn't have to get out a bunch of other material, build something. It is all in one. You push the legs down, you twist the screen like a plus sign against it. It's so easy to lock the bottom in place, and then you just lift up and hook it up to the pole and you're good to go. It is very long. It comes with a cover with handles, very easy to slide under a piece of furniture, and it's just fun to have and set it up in your backyard. You can do a slideshow, you can watch a movie, you can do anything you would like with friends and family, enjoying the beautiful outdoors. You can light a fire, you can eat, drink, have some popcorn. It makes watching a movie a special event, and I absolutely love it. I think if you love the idea of combining the outdoors with watching a good movie, but don't want to struggle or figure out how to put your screen up, this is definitely the best solution I have found. And that's my point of view.